Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop off the metal clips. Lift and remove the vent box. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1180C filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the vent cover. Reinstall the metal clips. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.